What up, YouTube? What we're working on today is this old laser mirror right here. Y'all might have seen, well, it's coming off anyway. So you might have seen it on live when I was taking it apart and got the other one off. So today we're gonna replace this one. We're gonna try to save this cover to put onto the other one because if you remember, it was white. So what we're gonna do this in a way to where we don't have to take off the whole door panel. Basically, what we're gonna do is just loosen this up. We're gonna take this bolt out here, and that is, I believe, an 8mm. Don't quote me on it, but if it changes, I'll put it in the, right there somewhere. It'll be right there. But anyway, we're gonna get this off. We're gonna pull this back so we can get to that, and we'll put the new one on. Also, too, I got this thing right here. This little cool little fan. We're gonna see how it works because it is pretty hot out here right now. Let's see how hot it is. It's about 85 degrees. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, 85 degrees. So we're gonna see how this keeps me cool while we're getting this apart. So just hang out for a little bit and see what we got going. So check this out. First things first, we gotta pull that little cover off. Get your screwdriver back there. You should have a little spot where it comes off. The other Jeep I did it on, it was so much simpler. It works better if you got a hook in both hands. So we're gonna get that off. Pull it up here. But remember, if you put a screwdriver up there, there's a light up there that lights up the door panel. And it comes off like that. So now we gotta get our socket to pull that out. We're not removing this because you have a screw that's here and then you got one that's down in here, and we got to move all the chains out of the way, pop that cover off to get to it. So what we're trying to do is remove it without taking this off completely, and we're going to do that in just a second. So let me get the socket ready, and when I get that bolt out, I'll turn you guys back on so you see where we're at. So I stand corrected, it's a 10mm. That one down there is an 8mm. So now, what we're gonna do is just start loosening this up so we can pull it off a little bit towards us, kind of like that. You're not gonna break it, you're just unhooking it from the door frame itself. When I get it loose, I'll cut you guys back on so you can see what we're about to do. So this little trim, it doesn't have any attachment, it just slips off. And it slips back into place when you get ready to reinstall it. So we got that down to right there. You see your 3 bolts right there. Those are 8mm. I have a ratchet wrench I'm gonna use for that, and you'll see how easy it's gonna come off. But the thing about it is, you have a can connection down here behind this. I might have showed it on the other video, but I'll show you here to get to it and disconnect the mirror, which is gonna be this little plug right here. Just hang out with me and you'll see in a second. Okay, check it out. This is what I've done so far. Just pull this a little bit back. Gives you a little bit of room in there like this so you can actually see the CAN bus down there. All right, so now we're gonna take out these screws and you see how everything's gonna come loose from there. 3 8mm screws, best with a ratchet wrench. All right. Okay, so check this out. I got these pliers, my long needle nose that I use for everything. And I also have this bootleg hook that I have. In a second, you're gonna see how this works. Basically, just gonna push this tab in to pull it out. I may be able to show it to you, I may not. But we're gonna see how far we can get. So, we're going right down there. Can't really see it that way. Can't really, okay, you can kind of see it there. You're gonna hit the black plug to release it from that CAN bus. And once you do that, it pops straight out. So let's see what I can do. Okay, I'm gonna have to put you guys back on. All right, got room in there, so this is it right here, this plug. I used my little hook, got up under there, unsnapped it, it made a little click noise. Once it does that, just pull it out just like that, and the mirror just comes out. So we're gonna take this mirror out and see what we're gonna do to switch everything over to the new mirror. We'll come back and cut you back. And just like that, it's done. You have to put the screw back in there, popped all of this back into place, mirror is on. And just like that, like, share, subscribe, comment, and always check out that Amazon affiliate store. Until later, peace.